This website claims you can earn money online by watching ads, completing small offers, and referring friends. It presents itself as a simple platform where you get paid for engagement with the promise of fast payouts once you reach a minimum balance. On Trustpilot, Ads2Cash currently holds a 2.8-star rating from 62 reviews. Positive reviews mention that users were able to cash out small amounts, saying the platform works but takes time. Negative reviews are more common. People report never receiving payments, withdrawals pending for weeks, and accounts being blocked after earning enough to withdraw. Some reviews even call it a time-wasting scam and warn that the platform uses payout promises just to generate ad revenue. There isn't much found information online beyond Trustpilot and the company's own marketing claims. There's no verified business registration, no proof of consistent user payouts, and no clear owner information on the official site. For the final verdict, based on the 2.8-star average rating, frequent non-payment complaints, and lack of transparency, Ads2Cash is not a trustworthy way to earn money online.